All right, at this step in the Smart Can Job Wizard, you're presented with the option to add parts from inventory. And you can see on the left-hand side, the parts that you can add are the engine oil, and then it's also giving you this message here for the engine oil filter. Now I'm going to switch over here to this particular screen and show you how this kind of plays out once you've finished the configuration. So I'm going to add this standard oil change here at the top to the RO, and you'll notice that the Napa oil filter is automatically sourced from your inventory. And then you see these quick add options for the fluid below. So if I switch back over here, you'll notice that it says when this job is added to the repair order, Smart Jobs will automatically apply the correct inventory part, in this case, the oil filter, based on the part number and the vehicle. So there's no action that's needed here. All you have to do is add your engine oil, and you can do so by selecting this button and then searching for your oil here at the top. You can add whichever bulk oils that you carry. You can see there's a 0W20, 10W30, and 10W40 that I have in my inventory, and I'll go ahead and add those. Once you do so, you'll see here that it added it to the can job table on the right-hand side. And if I flip back over here, you'll notice that it mirrors this same exact behavior when you use it on the RO. So again, if I use this on the RO, you'll notice that the filter is automatically added from inventory, and that this vehicle takes a 5W20, and I just add my 5W20 that I had previously added while configuring this can job here. So for the Smart Can Job Wizard, once you get to this step, it's going to ask you to add your engine oils, and you can do so like I just demonstrated previously. But again, for your filters, you don't have to do anything. This is going to be added automatically based off of the part number that's in your inventory and the specific vehicle.